In this video I'm going to show you how to check how much ink is left and if you need any refilling or replacement of ink cartridges in your Epson printer. Now first step is to go to the printer display panel. On this panel you will see there is a drop icon on the top. Select it. It will display the name of the inks that are low. For example, in this printer we have C, M and Y color ink in low. If you click on the close, it displays ink level. 3 inks are low, whereas the fourth, that is the black ink, is also low. So that means this is the right time to refill or replace the ink cartridges before you run out of the ink. So if you keep that stock with you, it's easy. Whenever you run out, you can just replace the new ink cartridges. You can also print the supply status sheet, that is just here. So if you print it, it will display which ink do you need. For example, I'm just going to print right now. If we look at this printout, we can clearly see the ink level is showing up here, and that's the name of the ink, and that's the product number we can buy for this printer. Thanks for watching.